All right, guys. Picture this. You walk into your office, you say good morning to your faithful friend who is doing something you love. Wait. We all love. He's printing money. Money, money, money. Sound like a dream, right? That's the beauty of learning about personal finance. It's your faithful friend who will never abandon you. You control your money, turn your dream into reality. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. A few years back, I was like happily going to work, taking family to fancy trips, going for those uber expensive movies, buying expensive stuff I barely used, counting last few days of the month till salary day. And repeat. What was the result? I was living paycheck to paycheck. I had no control on my expenses. I had no idea where my money is coming from or where my money is going. Why? Because I thought as long as I am working, everything is hunky dory. Everything is going to be okay. But then something happened which completely changed my perspective. COVID hit. I lost my job. I had no savings. I mean, no substantial savings to cover month by month expenses, school fees, rent, EMI, damn, even electricity bill once. Remember that moment of panic? Yeah, that was my wake-up call. It hit like a slap on my face. I knew I needed to get serious about my finances, so I learned, and I learned about personal finances, which is what I am sharing with you. Let's break it down point by point in not so bookish, boring way. Okay? What exactly is personal finance? It is not about not drinking that fancy coffee or pinching pennies. Personal finance is about actively knowing about your money in a way that lines up with what you want. Buying a house, traveling the world, having that coffee, or just feeling secure knowing that you have it in control. Now, personal finance covers a lot: budgeting, saving, investing, managing your debt, planning for retirement, etc. Not everything can be covered in one video, so I'm going to break it down into a series of videos. I'll be posting it directly in my YouTube channel. Please watch all of it. It's about understanding where your money comes from, where and how it goes, and how to control the cash flow. It's about making your money work harder than you for you and being ready for those financial googlies life throws at you. So let's start with the basic: tracking your expense. I know. Tracking your money sounds a bit tedious or dull, but honestly, it will be an eye opener. It is required to have full control over your money, knowing exactly where every dirham goes. Start simple, jot down your every expense. I mean, every expense. Use a small pocket diary, use a piece of paper, use an Excel sheet, Google sheet, or use a budgeting app. There are many. There is like Spendy, Mint, or YNAB. YNAB stands for You Need a Budget. This is, but remember, please remember, this is not about cutting cost or not buying that princess whole bag for your daughter. It is about actively being aware where and how much you are spending. It is about awareness. Maybe you will notice that you are spending 600 dirham per month on an out of the plan phone bills. Who knew, right? Or you can follow my mom's envelope system. One envelope for grocery, it has cash in for entertainment in one, and 51 dirham for not so favorite cousin's marriage. When envelope is empty, it's gone. It's the end of the month. Count your days, review, and adjust. Please understand, it is not about limiting yourself. It is about making smarter choice. Trust me, a little tracking can go a long way in building that financial freedom you are after. If you're so far, then please go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Seriously, this is just the tip of iceberg. I've got many more tips and tricks to help you master your money. And hey, if there is something specific you want to know, drop it in the comments. I will definitely answer you or come back with another video. Now, and here is where the things get really interesting. What if I told you that personal finance isn't just about managing your money, but also about growing it? That's where investing comes. It is the secret sauce that can seriously level up your finance game. I'm going to share a simple strategy that changed everything for me. In my next video, I'm going to dive into investing for beginners step by step, how to make your money work for you Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Before we call it a day, let me ask you, what's your biggest financial goal right now? Whether it's paying off that, saving for what you dream about, or it's just about getting a handle on everything. So why not start today? Connect with me on LinkedIn. Link is in the description. If you want to dive deeper into this stuff, leave a comment and with your thoughts. This is just the beginning of our journey together.